Hello students, welcome back to my channel Divyas Maths. Today in this video we will be solving exercise 5.2 from the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. In this exercise we have total 20 questions. So in this video we will be solving question number 1 to question number 2. So let's get started. Let us see the first question. Fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and we need to find the AN, which is the nth term of an AP. Okay?
In our AP, A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is the number of terms, and AN is the nth term of an AP. Okay? So, if you want to find 10th term of an AP, then here number of terms will be 10 and you will be finding a 10 value. Okay. In the same way, if you want to find 15th term of an AP, n will be 15 and you will find a 15 value. Clear?
So here A is the first term, D is the common difference, and N is the number of terms, and we need to find the nth term of an AP. Okay. So what is the formula to find the nth term of an AP, which is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. Okay. So we know A value and we know D value. We also know the N value. Okay. So substitute in this formula. So A is 7 plus N is 8. 8 minus 1 into D is 3. So you will get 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3, which is 7 plus 7 3 is 21. So AN will be 28. Okay. So here AN is 28. Clear? So this is the second question. He has given A value, N value, and he has also given the nth term of an AP. We need to find the common difference. Okay. So what is the formula? We will be using the same formula, which is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. Okay. So he has given AN as 0. And A is minus 18 plus N is 10 minus 1 of D. 0 is equals to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9D. Okay. So I am getting this minus 18 to LHS. You will get 18 is equals to 9D. So if you want the value of D, which becomes 18 by 9, this is 9 ones 9 2. So the common difference will be 2. Okay, the common difference is 2. Now let us see the next question, which is the third bit. He has given us the common difference N and nth term of an AP. Now we need to find the A value. Okay, let us use the same formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. We know AN, which is minus 5. A plus, we also know N, which is 18, minus 1 into D is minus 3. Okay. So this is minus 5 is equals to A plus 18 minus 1 is 17 into minus 3. So which is minus 5 is equals to A plus 17 into minus 3 is minus 51. Now let us get this minus 51 to LHS, which becomes minus 5 plus 51 is equals to A. So you will get A is equals to 46. Okay. So the A value is the first term. A is 46. Clear? Now let us solve the next one, the fourth bit. So we know A value, D value, common difference, and we need to find the N value. He has also given the nth term of an AP. An is equals to 3.6. Okay. So let us again use the same formula. An is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. So let us substitute all the values and find the N value. So An is 3.6 is equals to A is minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into D is 2.5. Okay. Now 3.6 is equals to minus 18.9 plus, this is, we will multiply N minus 1 with 2.5. Okay, which becomes 2.5 N minus 2.5. Okay, clear? Now let us get this minus 18.9 to LHS and this minus 2.5 also to LHS. Okay, so which becomes 3.6 minus 18.9 when it comes to LHS, it becomes plus 18.9, and this minus 2.5 when it comes to LHS, it becomes plus 2.5 is equals to 2.5 N. Okay. Now see here, 3.6 plus 18.9, which becomes 22.5. Now this 22.5 plus 2.5, which becomes 25. Okay, is equals to 2.5 N. If we want N value, this will be N is equals to 25 by 2.5. Okay, now how do you cancel this? This is 1s and this is 10. So how did we get 10 here? So 25 divided by 2.5, right? So if we want to remove the decimal here, which becomes 25 by 25 by 10. Yes, so this again becomes 25 into 10 by 25, right? So we are sending this 10 to numerator. So this is 25 ones, you will remain with 10. Clear? So the N value which we have got is 10. Okay. Let us solve the last bit from the first question, which is fifth one. He has given us A, D, N, and we need to find the nth term of an AP. Okay. So it's the same formula. An is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. We need to find An, right? So we know A value, which is 3.5, plus we also know the N value, which is 105, minus 1 into D value is 0. So An is equals to, this is 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 is 104 into 0. So An is equals to, so see here, any number when you multiply with 0, it becomes 0. Yes, so 3.5 plus 0 is 3.5. Okay, so this is the nth term of an AP, which is 3.5. Okay, clear? So let us see the second question. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify.
So in this question, we need to find 30th term of an AP. So as we discussed earlier, if you want to find 10th term of an AP, we know that N will be 10, right? So you will be finding A10 value. Okay. So in the same way, if you want to find 30th term of an AP, so number of terms n will be 30 and you will be finding A30 value. Okay.
This is the AP which is given, that is 10, 7, 4 and so on. Okay. From the given AP, we know this is the first term, right? So A is equals to 10 here. So how do we get the common difference? We will subtract second term and the first term, right? Which is A2 minus A1. So the second term is 7 minus first term is 10. So 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Okay. And n is number of terms. Here we need to find the 30th term of an AP, right? So this will become n, that is 30. And we need to find the A30. Okay. So we know the formula for an, that is A plus n minus 1 of d. So we need to find A30. We need to find 30th term of an AP. Okay. We know A value which is 10 plus we also know n value which is 30 minus 1 into d value is minus 3. So which becomes 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. Okay. Which is 10. This is 29 into 3 is 87. So which becomes minus 87. Okay. So A30 will be 10 minus 87 is minus 77. So C is the right answer. Okay. Now let us solve the second bit. 11th term of an AP. So we need to find the 11th term of an AP. So what is given? Given is AP is equals to minus 3 minus 1 by 2 and 2. Okay, so this is an AP. We know this is the first term which is A is equals to minus 3 and we also know the common difference which is A2 minus A1, that is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. Okay. So which becomes minus 1 by 2 plus 3. So this will be 2 minus 1 plus into 2, right? So 6, which becomes 5 by 2. Next, n value. So we need to find the 11th term of an AP, right? So n will be 11. So we need to find A11. Okay. Formula is an is equals to A plus n minus 1 of d. So A11 is equals to, what is A value which is minus 3 plus n is 11 minus 1 into d is 5 by 2. Okay. So this will be minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 2. This will be 2 ones, 2 fives. Okay. So this will be minus 3 plus 5 fives, 25. So A11 will be 25 minus 3 is 22. Okay. So the option is B. Clear?